bit of a two-man game. Phillips down in the paint using a series of fakes.
Beautiful.
Great body control for Michael Phillips. So yung athleticism na
sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a three-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half for Mason Amos. Lasal, nice fake by Stockton. Arana in the paint against Phillips.
Excellent defense from LaSalle. Team defense.
Now Stockton and a strip by Phillips. Phillips on the foot all the way. Oh! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim, Ray. It might be broken.
The rim is still shaking dito sa loob ng Yusef Jim ng The Royal Mandaya Hotel, and there's that athletic jam for Michael Phillips. And the crowd has fired up dito sa loob ng University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium. 1 point lead for LaSalle and a quick answer for Brian Santos. Jael Dos Santos inside to Arana, able to receive the pass. One-hander is good. By Cortez. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second three.
9 points for Mason Amos. Makalalag for 3. Mintis and rebound by Brian Santos.
Wala lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace.
Much improved campaign for Converge last conference sa PBA Philippine Cup.
The strong finish from Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Makalalag on the blow-by. He blew by for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another 3 for the De La Salle Green Arch. Rebound by Makalalag. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second verge.
And solid screen for Arana. But
intercepted though by Kevin Kiambao.
Yes.
4-on-3 pass break. Kiambao sets up to Cortez. And the second chance is good.
The dip.
Raven Cortez.
Xers. Ito na, tumatakbo na si Shawnee Winston. Brian Santos could not save the basketball. Loose ball. And that will go to De La Salle. And CJ Austria with a nice catch and finish. And looks... I mean, that's his, that's his antics.
That's his style, yes.
Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot. One-handed shot for Justin Arana.
That's right.
Trying to go on a bullet pass. Not a good idea. Intercepted by Phillips. LaSalle goes on the run. Makalala gets away.
I was saying Phillips was all
first half. Mula sa three-point country. Kiambao. Quick shot. Austria cleans it up.
Right place at the right time.
Play, not a good idea. Phillips now against Brian Santos. One-on-one. Goes to the cup. Draws the foul. And the crowd is anticipating for another athletic play mula kang Phillips.
Again, 2-1 press.
And Golyena with a steal. Goes to the basket and the layup. Fast break points for LaSalle. Has to give it up to Pat Maddenberg. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Shawnee slip. Another turnover for Converge. Phillips on the run. Phillips. Oh my! Mintis nga lang yung tira. And look at that scrambling defense once again for LaSalle. Ambohot. He'll try. That's an air ball. And situation, so they don't have to commit another silly foul. If you're the white shirts. Golyena. Open 3. Got it to go. It's been raining freeze.
That's right.
Alex Stockton goes in the paint. That's a wild shot. And LaSalle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips! Nangangapis sa ere pala si Michael Phillips.
Marabo na naman.
LaSalle with another fast break opportunity. Kiambao. Now taking his time, Marasigan. That's a 3.
That's what I'm saying, Ray. Kahit De La Salle doesn't mind, no?
Kasi lamang sila ng 17.
Oo nga eh.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and the basket.
this fourth quarter with 10 minutes to play.
Katulad yung nangyari kagabi against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh,
That was swatted
Tapal.
away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips!
baby.
Woo! What a play between the two front court players, Kiambao and Phillips.
Galit na galit. Gustong manakit.
And the rim is still shaking on the other end.
Oo nga eh.
Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and one. Oh, here's that replay update sa inyo ng Royal Mandaya Hotel. Here's that fast break. Kiambao. No look pass to Phillips for that poster jam. Another highlight reel for Michael Phillips.
That was a thunderous jam, no? That's a two. Yeah, that's basically 2 points still.
Oh. In the paint. That's a wild shot. And here comes Alex Stockton.
Malayo pa to, 7 points.
Open shot for Stockton. Wala. And here comes Kevin Kiambao. Fast break opportunity.
Kailangan bumalik sa depensa.
David
Itong
Dongo.
Converge.
On the runner.
my
Got it.
gosh.
And one.
Oh,
And Converge wanted to challenge that. His fourth personal foul. So there's the replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Oh, that was a dangerous hit. Kevin Racal, balik kang Stockton. That's great defense from Phillips. Down to 4 seconds. Arana
ganda.
turns, shoots, and scores. 7-point game. 5 to shoot. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3. Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Right on cue. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores. Another basket for Justin Arana and a quick timeout by Coach.
Eto na. So this should be a monster lineup now for Converge, I guess, in terms of scoring.
On the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great shot from Phillips.
Coming off the timeout. Wow. Through. Now you're manning the point for the Converge Fiber Xers. Ibigay kang Shawnee Winston now against his former team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1-point game. Bibigay kang Stockton and he tried to slow things down for Converge. Shawnee now against Amos with 9 to shoot. Looking for the big basket to take the lead for Converge. Stockton. And a Badam, loose ball. Kaninong bola? And a held ball.
Look at
Kontra kang JL De Los Santos. Amos, nice entry pass. Phillips, posting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and a shot. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag, able to recover. And gets the basket to go. Balik ang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin. Wow. Gets the basket to go. Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on a footway and jams it home. Stockton surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one. Half-court set. Austria against Stockton. Phillips trying to go on the attack against Arana. Throws it up. Wala. Agawa na bola. Phillips gets it back. 2 more shots. What Michael Phillips are hoping. They're looking for their Stockton in traffic. Arana kontra kang Michael Phillips inside. Another foul. And that will be against Michael Phillips. I think Stockton could be one of the improved players for the Converge Fiber Xers. Lalo na dito sa crunch time. 1 for 2 from the line. Back to 1 Padam. Phillips kontra kang Brian Santos. Oh, steal by Stockton.
Good swipe from Stockton.
Big time steal for Alex Stockton. Here's a 3. And he's trying to draw the foul. No whistle. A Badam steps inside. No. And a whistle.
Ay ko po.
Cardiac finish for these two teams. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdenburg will try. 3 points. Good.
Big shot from the big guy.
The former Ateneo Blue Eagle drills a three.
2 points.
Tie or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way.
My foot ejected.
And here comes LaSalle on the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria after that
A solid screen.
by Campbell! But wait a minute, a foul called! And with that challenge,
Personal foul.
it's an unsuccessful challenge. And there's that last replay. Take a look at Coach Solo.
Boom.
And that was an athletic
Grabe.
rejection almost. Pero Nero is cheering against Shawnee. And the shot is good.
Substitution for Converge.
Seconds remaining in this ball game. Overtime na naman ba to?
Hindi ko pa masagot ngayon na Coach Solo as Winston shot. No! And rebound by Phillips. It's a 3-point lead still. One possession game. Converge applying trap on the backcourt. Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out. Tungo hesitates and Kiambao almost slip. Abadam big shot.
Backbreaker.
Dagger shot for EJ Abadam. Timeout. Woo! Converge Vibrexers. And there's our replay at sa inyo ng the Royal Manea Hotel on that dagger 3 for Abadam.
18-12.
You have to make an opening. Santos with 13 to shoot. Launches. No. And a rebound by LaSalle. Here comes Kiambao for the layup. Yes.
Umasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3. No. And that will do it. 2024 final score. De La